typically think of thunderstorms at best as mild inconveniences, and at worst as very real dangers. Admittedly, they can certainly be a nuisance, and at times can literally and figuratively rain on one's parade. Thunderstorms are also very loud, and the bright flashes of lightning can be seen as scary by some. However, thunderstorms are a lot more than just that. What's very easy to forget is that storms have an incredible impact on the world around us, in a very positive way. Storms can shape how we live our lives, build our cities, and have a humongous impact on the natural world. While some may see storms as destroyers, they can with time create beautiful landscapes and can bring life to lifeless areas. In this PSA, you will learn all about how storms shape our very lives and how we benefit from them. Thunderstorms are very important for our natural environment in many different ways. As described by Online Science, we get lots of water from many continents during the summer. End quote. For many creatures, rain is absolutely necessary for survival, and without their habits and habitats would change drastically. Many animals rely upon thunderstorms to retain their current environment, and without it, they may not survive. In addition, thunderstorms play an integral role in quite literally shaping the world around us. Through the slow and meticulous process of weathering, thunderstorms can change the Earth's environment and create a new landscape out of an old one. This can also result in habitats changing drastically in some cases, bringing new life to these environments. One amazing example of this is the rainforest environment, an environment tailor-made to fit the benefits of thunderstorms. As stated by the Arbor Foundation, all of the rainforest plants work to provide food and shelter for the rainforest animals, as well as to convert carbon dioxide to oxygen. End quote. These plants rely specifically upon these storms for survival, and due to the weathering of thunderstorms, they have absolutely benefited. As a result, it's safe to say that thunderstorms offer many benefits to the environment. Thunderstorms have an adverse effect on our health in a very positive way. As stated by the reputable source Online Sciences, the updrafts and other wind effects remove large amounts of pollution, transporting it aloft. The rainfall washes the pollution out of the air. The thunderstorms are very active electrically, and the lightning is an electrical discharge which happens between two opposite charged surfaces. Thunderstorms can act as a cleanser for our cities and towns, especially more populated areas in which pollution is more likely. For many poor or low-income Americans, thunderstorms can act as short relief from especially low air quality levels. In addition, these thunderstorms can have a huge impact on crop production and creation overall. As stated by Online Sciences, the lightning helps fertilize the soil. The heat and the pressure from the lightning turns nitrogen and other gases in the air into useful compounds. They're natural fertilizer, which helps the plants create vital proteins, and it produces the ozone, which is a vital gas in our atmosphere. Lightning is without a doubt nature's best fertilizer and offers large potential gains due to these benefits. Even in our day-to-day lives, thunderstorms can hugely impact the way we live overall. Some may argue that thunderstorms are very dangerous, and this can be true. A study from Harvard equates thunderstorms to being the root cause of many asthma outbreaks, lung collapses, and much more. Many people die due to the flash floodings caused by thunderstorms. And if too much rainfall befalls areas such as the rainforest, then animals can suffer greatly. Due to global warming, the dangers of thunderstorms are accentuated, while the benefits are reduced greatly. Even still, these benefits are too noticeable to pass up, and as a result, they are still extremely useful. These storms are what retain Earth's balance. They are what ensures that we are all able to survive the way we do in our day-to-day lives. And while they're not without their detrimental effects, they're still extraordinarily important to our survival and overall very beneficial. Hopefully you have learned how thunderstorms shape our lives for the better. Of course, that isn't to say that they're wholly good events, but they aren't the evil forces of nature that we commonly think of them as. Thunderstorms offers many great benefits that we can simply easily miss if we don't pay enough attention to them. Overall, thunderstorms are a humongous benefit that we as a species should ensure that we capitalize on.